Good morning. Alright, let's coffee. Magpapagupit sana kami pero close pa yung parlor. Kaya kape muna. While waiting for the parlor to open. Pancake. Yan. Tapos yun ang drinks nila. Waiting pa yung kape. Kape launay. Barako kape launay. Sarap oh. Pancake with butter plus barako. Antayin natin yung barako. Kape is life plus pancake. Yummy. Happy tummy. Oh, malapit nang maubos yung pancake ko. Ayan. Dumating na yung barako. Ayan, barako. Chirap-chirap. Barako plus pancake. Yummy. Coffee time. Thanks for watching.